Yeah, hi everyone, welcome to Techie Study. So today we are going to discuss about how to configure the GitHub in Azure Data Factory. So let's go to the portal. So this is our Data Factory. Let me launch. So GitHub is lifetime free. You can sign up and by using your email IDs so that you can keep our source code in our repositories, right? So as I said previous session, we are going to do the Git configuration in Manage tab. So click Configure. So here it will show the options, or two options, either Azure DevOps or GitHub. For now we are going with GitHub. I will show you in coming sessions Azure DevOps Git as well. So use enterprise URL up to GitHub we need to give. So Warner is, this is the one Warner, my Warner name, Karthik Karanam GitHub. Okay, click continue. So it will show the repositories. What are the currently I have general and Azure Data Factory repository. Let me click Azure Data Factory repository, and the collaboration is main branch and ADF publish is publish branch. That's it. So we are not going to import anything from existing branches. We don't have anything existing branches. So it's brand new. So uncheck it, apply. It will configure the GitHub repository. Once we will create the pipelines, then we will publish the changes to our repository. Then we can see the changes here in our repository. We will show it in next class. So our repo is connected to our data factory. So once we create a pipelines, if we will publish it, then we can see the our source code will be available in our GitHub repository. This is Azure Data Factory repository is ours. This is about how to configure a GitHub repository. I will show you next sessions how to configure Azure DevOps as well while doing CI/CD. So GitHub sign up. It's pretty much simple, and just sign up and give the your email ID. Continue. So just next follow the steps. That's it. It will create the GitHub account. Then you can create the repositories under that. So how to create repositories, right? So once you log in to GitHub environment, we can see here your repositories. Click on your repositories. Here we can see only two repositories. So projects, if you want to create projects, we can create the new projects. Repositories. Here, see, create new repository, or we can import the existing repositories. New repository. Maybe we can create a database. So create repository. Here we can give the public or private permissions. So now we have three repositories in our organization. So this is our organization. In our organization, we have three repositories. So this is about today's class. Thank you. Bye bye.